Guys, I don't want to do post match videos anymore. I don't want to because how can a team that's in the top half get draw draws draw against teams that's in the bottom half? What's gonna happen when we finally face Man City, Arsenal? By the way, it's not we're gonna be facing them very soon. So what's gonna happen when we face Arsenal or Man City? Then what's gonna happen? We're gonna suddenly show up now, or are we just gonna take the L? Because I don't want to do post match videos if this team keeps disappointing me like this. I mean, like yeah, shout out Cunha for the goal. Yeah, but was it? Yeah, don't know what to say, guys. This team just is disappointing.